Mega Mega Love Shoutout! This is Scratch Adventure, guys. These are my winning tickets on Red Hot 7S 7 and the Go Bananas. In Go Bananas, you're going to win. Play instruction, match 3 like amounts. Win that amount, find in the bonus panel. 2x to double, 3x to triple, or 4x to quadruple the prizes you have won, which is this one, guys. This is the bonus 1x. So in this one we have a winning of 20 pesos. So this one is 20 pesos, and the other one too is times 2 the bonus, so the amount is 20. So it's 40 pesos, guys. And the other tickets that I have here is the Red Hot, which is the instruction is get 7 in a row, column or diagonal to win the amount shown. You could win more than once. So this one are the prices. If this one goes down, it's 70 pesos. If this goes this way, straight this way, it's 20 pesos. And this one straight in here is 20 pesos also. If straight like this, it's 170. Straight in the middle, it's 770. And if straight in the middle downwards, that one is, what do you call this one? Column, is it column? Column in the middle, it's 7,700. And if the diagonal goes into this side and the other side like that, it's a jackpot 77,777. So this one, guys, I won 20 pesos because this one goes 777. And the other one I've got is still 20 pesos because it goes like this. So 20 plus 20 is 40 pesos. Plus this one is 40 pesos because double the price. 20, 20, 20. So times 2 is 40. So 80 pesos. And this one is 20 pesos. So it's 100. So it's a profit of 20 pesos, guys. 20 pesos. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching.